Will your partner say her favorite beverage is or is not carbonated? What are your answers?
Well, you know, I'd have to say guava.
And team number 2?
Non-carbonated.
That our answer made sense. Thank you.
Question number 5. What will your partner say is the stupidest question she's asked you this week?
Oh. There's quite a few. I mean, you know, like, it's just not much more than a normal amount for a normal individual or something.
Team number 1.
Alright, well, I have to say, it was earlier this week, and we were all at this little party, a little retreat for couples, and I was, you know, we were hanging out, and then we were at, like, the little snacks table, and we're talking, and I said, do you think Sarah's butt's big? And she just gave me this look, and, you know, kind of like this one right here, and I said, that's my question. Yes. What?
You guys piss me off so much, I'm gonna eat!
Shit, I want cheese.
Go get your own. Asshole.
I'm chewing gum and eating cheese.
That's really gross. Yeah, it's pretty gross.
I can't open it.
I don't think it's going to make you feel any happier, to be honest. Oh, no.
You're so dumb.
Or terrible.
I don't know.
Might be the stupidest question I've heard you say all week.
Gross.
It's really gross.
So where's Karen now? I think.
She went to get cheese. I don't think you gave her that look.
That was a long time ago.
Okay, sorry that we remember things a little better than you do.
Go get her. Go get her. Hey, can you take my cheese back? Thank you.
Anytime.
I'm a doctor. Jackie, you're not a doctor, you're an optometrist.